Hey boys, it's Mystical Soap back at it with another PUBG video. As you've seen in the last 3 videos, I've been really hyped about the new patch. Makes the game more competitive, you get a lot more chicken dinners. So let's see where we're at. Let's play some game of PUBG. Not playing so hot. Green Mario's AFK. He's just spinning around. I'm gonna kick him. Gotta do it to my boy. I wanna win I wanna get the chicken dinners. He's not helping me get no chicken dinners. Sorry I had to do it to him, but that's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. So, as you see, I had to kick one of the best people on my team. It's unfortunate. Now we've got a bot. That's a new element. Normally, old PUBG, you didn't have any bots. You just had teammates. If your teammates quit, they quit. And you just fucking suck. So now you get a bot. They're kind of cool. He's just gonna walk aimlessly, I guess. I'm shocked he didn't run into anyone. Are my teammates gonna do anything? Nope. Guess not. I don't know what to tell you guys. This is just getting really anxiety. No timeouts. Let's keep playing. If I learned one thing from my which League of Legends video, it's always gotta be positive. So when you're down, you only got 9 chicken dinners to your name against 9 chicken not dinners. You gotta just keep playing, get it going. This is pretty good timeout feature. It's a nice one. We get a lot of time to meditate on our actions, question the morality of what we're doing. A lot of mindless murder in this game. We've gotta keep a level head. So I got my knife out. Ooh, sorry for the burp. Now I'm a bit nauseous. Sorry. I don't like the prospect of not getting chicken dinners. I was really looking forward to them. We'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna keep playing. Gonna comment on what's going on for you guys. I'm gonna rush at them. Hopefully they don't know that I'm gonna do it. I like rushing. It's like Russian. If you can mishear me like that. Gonna go around this corner. Hopefully they're just sniping down the long part of the map, which they use for shorthand as long. Just call it long. That's kind of cool. I thought it was cool. Oh, just me alive. I'm just gonna wait here. Did not work at all. Morale's getting low. Other teams using their bomb advantage. Bombs, as I said, they're really deadly. You have a bomb on your team, you pretty much win. So, gotta just push through it. You don't always have the bomb on your team. You don't always have not a bot on your team. That's the name of the game in the new PUBG. That's kind of cool. That's cool. You didn't have that much detail in old Picado, but you know, they were like, the only map is now Picado. We gotta make Picado look nice. Make Picado look nice again, as they say. I think Trump says that. What a fucking idiot. Only if my team would do literally anything.
Defusing. Terrorists win.
Giving me some anxiety. Haven't seen a chicken dinner in years at this point. Dreaming of the chicken dinner. All I want is just to have another chicken dinner again. I want to remember the good old days where the chicken dinners just flowed like the seas of Egypt. I don't. That might be an expression. I'm not gonna rule it out. What an idiot. Crackle pop. Just popped some crackle. What? I don't know why. I'm just gonna go to the other bomb site next round. Blue Mercedes is just worthless at this point. He's just so demoralized by the loss of our good friend at the green. That was not anticipated. I don't know what to tell you about that. That was not good calls. Yeah, I really hecked that one up. Hopefully Blue Mercedes can win this one through. That was a fucking idiot move on his part. Don't know what he's thinking with that. Looking at dead bodies. Take out your pit. Oh, okay, thank God.
Defusing the bomb.
But Mercedes did it to him. Got the W, and on that note, with my newest chicken dinner of the day, we're gonna have to end the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you liked it. If you didn't like it, do that anyway. I love you guys, soapheads, and I'll see you next time.